Now we editing the image only for beginners. Lightroom education team masking with linear guardians, image rescue, core feature, masking, light and effects. We start now that the image editing, loading image. Masking with linear guardians. Masking is the sky with linear guardians. Two step. First step, masking with linear guardians gives you the power to adjust multiple settings in specific areas of the photo. We'll start with linear gradient to make the sky more dramatic without impacting the eyes. Continue. Open the masking panel first time. Open it. Tap on the plus to create a new mask with a linear gradient. Okay. Tap. Select the linear gradients and linear gradient. Select. Draw out a linear gradient that will use to darken and enhance the sky. Okay, enhance the sky. Okay, confirm. About the mask ability, when you create a new mask, a red overlay helps to show the areas it will affect. It dispatches as soon as you begin making adjustment. Okay, open the light panel. First time we open the light panel, click here. Okay, darken the sky. First time put on darken the sky. Completed. Open the color panel. Okay, make sky slightly bluer, temperature bluer. Okay, completed. Open the effects panel. Okay, increase clarity to accentuate the clouds. Clarity all the clouds. Completed. Okay, complete the temperature cloud. Okay, completed. Chapter 2 close completed. Masking the eyes with the linear gradient. Now that the sky looks good, let's bring out the eyes to make it pop with a second linear gradient. Okay, continue this. First time we close the effects panel, close, and tap on the plus to create a new mask with a linear gradient. Okay, plus, select on the linear gradients, selected. Drag in the second linear gradient across a halogen. Okay, halogen. Open the light panel. Okay, light panel open. Lighten the eyes by increasing the highlights. Light the eyes by. Okay, completed. Brighten the eyes even more. Okay, completed. Open the effects panel. Open it. Use texture enhance the details of the eyes. That looks cool. Okay, that looks cool. And finally, step 2 completed. On your images, make sure to explore all of the masking options, including select sky and select subject, and experiment with combining types of mask to bring out of the very best in your images. Okay, continue. That looks great. Try this on your own photos. Okay, continue. Okay, continue this, and finally I did learn here submit, and that's the moment. Finally photo editing completed, done. Next step, next step, it's completed. Net Next steps, the image crease o-ring, improving a studio portrait, core future masking and light. As I looked through the viewfinder, I knew that I would be darkening the shirt to draw more attention to the face. Learn how to shape and craft the light using a linear gradient to create the image I saw in my mind eyes. Okay, now we start the tutorial. Start loading, image loading. Loading image. The more than image loading, but it's very important for editing image. Something went wrong, please try again later. Some okay, no problem. Let's continue. When you get problem, then must try again later. Okay, start tutorial. Darkening the lower portion of the image. The lights in this studio portrait was created with a single light source. While I love the look and feel of the light, I find the brightness in the lower portion of the image distracting. Let's fix that. Okay, continue. Open the masking panel. First time we must open. Tap on the plus to create a new mask with a linear gradient. Okay, linear gradient push. Create a linear gradient from the neck of the shirt up towards the face. Okay, computer, open the light panel open. Decrease the exposure to darken area. Okay, completed. Increase the contrast to add more density and contrast to the area. Okay, completed. Make sure the brightest tones are dark by decreasing the highlights value. Okay, darken the shadows or the dark tones. Darken the shadows or dark tones. Bring back a little bit of detail by increasing the black slider value to lighten the very darkest tone. Okay, okay, completed. While I could have modified the lighting in the studio, sometimes it's more efficient to get the shot and then apply a straightforward adjustment as we did here. Okay, continue. And often it's this little adjustment that make all the difference in the world, helping us take our images from good to great. That's look great. Try this on your own photos. Okay, continue. And congratulations. And done. Finally, we completed we completed our image editing. Harness the power of masking with linear gradients to edit select regions of your photo. Start by drawing on more linear gradients to then apply a wide variety of editing adjustments to the area within the gradient. And we completely finished the image editing. Thank you.